my videos to, I don't know, to WhatsApp, other platforms you have. You will just share my video, and then I'll come to your YouTube. I'll do the same. You just say to the comment section done, and I will see that you really do that. What I'm saying, you comment, you share, you like. I'll just come and do like 3 of your videos. I'll like, I'll comment, I'll share them. I'll do the same. So if you really want to grow your channel, just gather here and let's support each other, guys, because there is no way you're going to somebody who has a 1 million or a 400,000 and comment, and they can return to your channel and say thank you. Not all of people can do that. Not all of them, they can come to you and subscribe to your small YouTube. So you should come to my small YouTube and do that, and me, I'm going to return the favor. I'll do that to your YouTube. So guys, please, let's support each other. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and be notified whenever I post my video. You'll be notified. And thank you for watching my video.